Here's my export settings for 4K vertical videos. Two quick caveats. When I know that I am going to be filming something and only going to make a vertical version of that video, I will mount my camera vertically and film everything vertical. My camera is shooting in 4K, and then when I import that footage into Adobe Premiere, I edit that footage in a vertical 1080 timeline. Let me just show you how to quickly make a vertical video 1080 timeline. So in here, I'm going to go into new item, right? I'm going to create a new sequence. What I do is I take my digital SLR video sequence, I do 1080, and then I'm shooting 24p. And then in your settings, all you're going to do is you're just going to flip these. So 1920 by 1080, it's going to be 1080 by 1920. So you can see here, it's a vertical video, 9 by 16. And then that's going to give you this vertical video timeline, right? And like I said, I shoot 4K, but because it's a 4K video and in a 1080 timeline, the scale is at 54%. So I could, like I said, I could zoom in on this, to 100%, and then I'm not going to lose quality, right? Okay, so once your video's done, everything's ready to export. You got your in and out points. I'm going to go to File, I'm going to go to Export, Export Media. And then what we'll do is for the preset here, we're going to go in, we're going to select, you can go to More Presets, just type in YouTube or U, and you'll see a YouTube 4K Ultra HD. We'll go ahead and select that, hit OK. So now that we got YouTube 4K Ultra HD selected, the next thing we want to do is toggle down our video settings. And then we're going to want to switch this to a vertical video because you'll notice here on the sides, it's made for horizontal. So I got that toggled down. I'm going to go ahead and hit select more. And this is a step that you cannot skip. You want to change the encoding setting level from 5.2 to 6.2. So once we have that selected at 6.2, we'll scroll up here and now we can set our custom vertical video 4K settings. So we'll go ahead and unlock this. We're going to change this to 2160. And then over here, we're going to switch this to 3840. And then there we go. One thing you'll also notice is that I have captions in this video. So I just want to make sure that I have those toggled on. And then I just want to make sure that I have burn captions into my video so that it exports that as well. I have a whole other video on how to add captions to your videos if you want to check that out. So if you don't want to go through this whole process every single time, what you can do is make this a preset. And then you can just select these three dots here. You'll go to Save as Preset, and then you can title this whatever you want. So I'll just title it Vertical 4K, and then I'll just put with captions because that way I don't have to make sure toggle on captions every time as well. And then hit OK. And then now every time you edit a vertical video and you want it to export in 4K with your captions, you have that as a preset here. And go ahead and hit export and you're all set. Hopefully you found some value in that. Let me know in the comments and I'll catch you in the next one. Aloha.